Want to turn something every parent needs into a business that never goes out of demand? Stick around because today, I'm revealing step by step how you can launch a successful baby diaper business and turn diapers into dollars. Hi, I'm Prince Sam Official, and welcome back to Prince Sam Official channel, where we guide you to wealth and financial success. If you're serious about starting a profitable business, then grab a notebook because this video is packed with actionable steps to help you start your baby diaper business today. A to Z steps to start a baby diaper business. Step 1. Research the market. 1. Understand demand. Explore statistics on diaper usage, both disposable and cloth, in your target region. 2. Identify your target market. Determine if you'll focus on new parents, hospitals, or wholesale retailers. 3. Study competitors. Research leading brands and their unique selling points, for example, eco-friendly materials, price, design. Step 2. Choose your business model. 1. Manufacturing. Invest in machinery to produce your own diapers. 2. Reselling. Partner with manufacturers and sell pre-made diapers. 3. Customization. Offer branded or personalized diapers for niche markets. Step 3. Decide on the product type. 1. Disposable diapers. 2. Reusable cloth diapers. 3. Biodegradable/eco-friendly diapers. Step 4. Plan your budget and resources. 1. Initial investment. Costs for raw materials, equipment, packaging, and logistics. 2. Workspace. Set up a small factory or storage area. 3. Staffing needs. Hire skilled labor for production and packaging. Step 5. Source materials and equipment. 1. Raw materials. Suppliers for absorbent pads, non-woven fabrics, adhesives, and elastic. 2. Machinery. Look for automated diaper making machines online or at industrial expos. 3. Provide a list of platforms where viewers can buy machinery, such as Alibaba and Indiamart or local suppliers. Step 6. Develop your brand and packaging. 1. Create a memorable brand name that appeals to parents. 2. Invest in attractive, eco-friendly packaging. Step 7. Register your business and get licenses. 1. Register your company with local authorities. 2. Obtain health and safety certifications for your products. 3. Comply with tax requirements and legal standards. Step 8. Build your sales channels. 1. Online store. Create a website and sell through platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, or Etsy. 2. Wholesale/retail distribution. Partner with supermarkets, baby shops, or pharmacies. 3. Social media. Use platforms like Instagram and Facebook to reach young parents. Step 9. Promote your business. 1. Use influencer marketing to reach parents on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. 2. Offer discounts for first-time buyers or subscription models for recurring sales. Step 10. Focus on quality and customer feedback. 1. Maintain high product standards. 2. Actively collect reviews and improve based on feedback. Starting a baby diaper business is a golden opportunity in a growing market. With the steps I've shared, you're well on your way to creating a brand that parents trust and love. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone who's also dreaming of starting a business, and subscribe to Prince Sam Official for more business insights and wealth tips. Thanks for watching. Remember, Prince Sam Official loves you all. Keep chasing your dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.